3, 2, 1, let's go! What is up? Superhero Crypto Ninja is bringing you another daily video where we review the newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap, trying to find the next 100x gem project. I review these projects based on three things: world-class copywriting, design, and marketing. And if they can pass those, then we look at things like tokenomics, etc. in a later video. So without further ado, let's get started. Last video we ended at, let's see, which one did we end at? Wow, there's been a few. So we ended at FunFi. So check out that video. I believe we found a couple winners, including Velodrome Finance. So that was a cool project. So today we have 15 companies to check out, and let's get started. All right, so first up we have JIMNGAME. JIMNGAME. This website looks really poorly designed. The token, Space Galaxy Expeditions, and it's got the price right here. This looks like a poo coin. Yeah, I'm not sure. It doesn't really explain it. Like, here's a video I guess we can take a look at. Yeah, it looks really bad. I'm gonna pass on this. First one is a fail, guys. Okay, next up we have ZEDXION. Hard to pronounce. Is that $1? Interesting. All right, ZEDXION Crypto Exchange. Okay, I don't think we need another crypto exchange, especially one that looks like this. Do not put your money into these type of projects, guys. I've been offered a lot of money to promote crypto exchanges that look shady. They have no team. They're not, you can't tell where their location is. It just doesn't make sense when we already have established exchanges like Binance, FTX, Bybit, all these. So I'm gonna pass on that. I don't know why companies are still building exchanges. I mean, I don't know, unless they have some sort of unique selling proposition, which you should list right off the bat. Okay, next up we have Sing to Earn. This looks promising. Welcome to the world of music. Track music, earn crypto, and be the best version of yourself. Same effort, more results. Okay, the copywriting could be much better. This looks like a Chinese maybe or Korean company. I would love to see an English company here in the West build out something like this, because I think there's a lot of potential in this concept actually. I might actually see if there's new, let's check it out right now actually. Sing to Earn. I wonder if there's any Sing to Earn projects. Doesn't look like it. Anyways, it's something that we can take a look at, but this project specifically doesn't look like it's well executed, maybe just of the language barrier. Sing to Earn is a revolutionary music application that lets you earn cryptocurrency while you sing. Again, a brilliant idea, because we have like all these, TikTok is very popular with singing. There was even that other app where you could sing with other people. The goal, keeping this in mind, we came up with a unique concept where you can get strong both physically and financially. I don't know if singing makes you strong physically, maybe with breath work, but okay, this is cool, although this slider doesn't really work. Oh wow, it tracks your heartbeat, so I wonder if it requires a device, or if they're tracking heartbeat based on like computer vision. It's too bad the team is not on here either, which kind of sucks, but again, great concept if you're a developer and you're looking for a new project to develop. I think a Sing to Earn would be amazing. I am going to pass on this for now. Next up we have VRYNT. Some of these projects are really hard to pronounce. Okay, we have VRYNT here. You can put this up here on the top left. You don't need to show it as the first thing people see. They should see this, which is you're an NFT platform. Designed with the social influencer at the center. It empowers social influencers and brands with a decentralized business model. Okay, this is cool. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video for influencers. It's kind of like an OnlyFans but decentralized version. There's a couple projects out there. This one doesn't look like it's well designed. Copywriting's not very good either. See if there's a team. Yeah, there's no team either. For that reason, I am going to pass. Next up, we have Frozen Walrus Share. No thanks. Yeah, it's a DeFi project. 800,000 locked up. Who knows if that's real? I don't think people should be investing in these type of projects. Anything that promises APY or any sort of high number, which this one doesn't really promise right off the bat, but it's definitely something that I would not put my money in, especially if it's called Walrus. You guys really need to know that don't put your money in stupid shit. Next up, we have Walrus, which is the exact same token. So they have 2 tokens for some reason. Pass. Goat Gang. This is probably a meme. Welcome to Goat Gang, the world's first platform where NFT work for you. Where an NFT work for you and give you a passive income. Okay, what's up with these really horribly written, hilarious though background, but poorly written copywriting and lack of teams. Rough. Pass. All right, ToxicDeer Finance. Man, we're hitting all the fucked up projects today. So ToxicDeer Finance. Yeah, you really want to put your money into something named Toxic. Whoever puts their money into shit like this is ridiculous. I would love to see what kind of market cap this hits. But yeah. Here's your burn. Yeah, people really need to stay away from DeFi projects like this. Projects like this give crypto a really bad name. I'll pass. Next up, we have CVSHOTs. Okay, the font is so small, and it took so long to type out. For some reason, when this is like blocked out like this, it reminds me of cum shots for some reason. But that's just. It looks like they might be like Upwork or LinkedIn. Let's see. Unfortunately, it's not in English, that video, so I'm gonna pass on it. Really poorly designed. I wish everybody in school would learn basic design, like just the golden ratio, for example, and like white space, just to understand, like, or some sort of color theory. It doesn't take very long, but could help you out tremendously in anything you do. Next up, we have RoyalPay. The king of all staking protocols, providing trust and sustainability. Okay, scammy. They know how to use their words, but and their branding looks okay. RoyalPay is an auto staking, auto compounding, blah blah blah, with an annual yield of something that's unsustainable. It says it does have a shield to prevent against pump and dumps. Oh, they do have a team. Legit. Yeah, look at their team. CEO. Ooh, they have photos of nobody with no names. That's a really good team. All right, scam, RoyalPay. Fuck you. Pass. Next up, we have MoveX, and the website doesn't work. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt and try to go to their Twitter and see if they have a different website on there. Yeah, the website doesn't work, unfortunately, so sounds promising, but we'll have to pass. Next up, we have WeBuy. WeBuy unlocks new possibilities with NFTs with an S. The call to action is the docs, so they're a little bit early. Don't love that it's a lot of stuff all over the place. There's no team here though. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this. Anything that has like a DAO or DeFi is just not something that I want to see. They help humanity. Next up, we have SPACEPIG coin. Gosh. Oh, at least it looks really cool. SPACEPIG is a community-driven meme currency on Binance Smart Chain, aka easily rug pullable. Contract is there, but there's no audit. Even though these pigs look hilarious, I'm gonna pass. We're not finding any winners today. Next up, we have OtherDAO. What's up with these XYZ projects? .xyz. Does anyone know? Leave a comment if you know why people are registering XYZ domains when it's not very credible. Probably because they can't find a .com. Okay, we have OtherDAO. Again, I don't like DAOs because none of them have proven themselves. I like the concept of DAOs, but in terms of like people investing in them to make money, which is primarily how they market themselves, unless they're helping out humanity with some sort of sustainability feature, I don't think it's worth investing, so I'm gonna pass on this. Their website's really slow. All right, last up we have Vegasino. Vegasino, previously known as Nevada. Okay, pancake swap. Again, with these projects listening to this, please don't make your call to action something that people that don't know about your project click on and deposit money. It seems sketchy and just morally incorrect. With over hundreds of games available to play on the Vegasino platform, you can bet on finding. Okay, I wonder if they're actually developed yet. Like this call to action should be to the actual app. So I don't think they're developed, and I would not invest in something like this with no team and also no product yet. So until they have some sort of beta. But yeah, I don't know, gambling, I'm gonna pass on this. All right, today we just reviewed a bunch of shitcoins. If you're gonna take anything away from this, the summary is, if you can create a sing to earn that is really well designed with good copywriting, I think you have potential to make a lot of money. So this one already has a $500,000 market cap. All right, sorry about that, guys. Take care, God bless. Hopefully you learned something, but fucking coins today. Rawr.